On today's episode on WarpDriveM, I'm going to show you how to code your ABS unit on your BMW, and this method will work for E53, like in my case, E39 or E46. So let's begin. This is an ABS unit. This is called a unit because it has the module, electronical part, and the mechanical part, or the ABS block or hydraulic part. This is the pump. Here you will have all the pipes, brake lines, and everything. If you are replacing just the hydraulic unit and use your own electronic, you don't have to do anything. You just have to bleed the brakes and you are good to go. If you are replacing the control unit, the module, you have to code the new module for your car, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. After you replace the ABS control unit, you will have some errors like this one, coding error. So we have to code this ABS unit for the car, and we have to synchronize the steering wheel with the ABS or DSC module. So I'm going to show you now how to do both of these ones. Coding part. Let's go in the car. You have to have a cable, a DCAN cable, something like this. And for the E39 and X5 E53, you will need an adapter because the OBD is different plugged. So you need this adapter. After that, plug the cable. Find the port. Put that in. After that, you have to be sure that your cable is properly set. I am going to put a pop-up banner to see how to properly set your cable. Ignition on, of course. Turn everything electrical off. You will need to have NCS Expert. With IMPA you can check if you have connection. IMPA is started, you have the battery is recognized, the ignition is recognized. Okay, we can close this up. Yes. After that, NCS Expert. Start the program. Go in there, load profile. Expert modus, okay. F1, F3, select your car, E53, okay, and after that you will have a list with the modules of your car, and select EVS because we have to take all the infos from this car. So we select AVS, okay. We have the VIN number, the model. Perfect, everything is done. Hit F6 back. Select F4. Now we are going to select DSC. Perfect. And job name. If you don't have here SG codieren, Steuergerät codieren, you have to go to F2 and select SG codieren. See that? SG codieren. Perfect. It will be coded the DSC module. We have all the infos from the EVS. And now we are going to say F3, hit F3, code. Coding active, coding done. Perfect. Now we have, I'm not really sure if I showed you, now we have the handbrake with yellow, not with red anymore. And now we just have to synchronize the steering wheel with the ABS pump, and we should be good to go. In order to check if the coding was working, we are going to select DSC. We are going to hit F4, read errors, F1. We have just one error, see that? No more coding, not working or stuff like that. Set the steering wheel and you are good to go. After the coding part was done, unplug everything, start the car. Okay, put the steering wheel straight. Perfect. And now go lock to lock. Full left, full right a few times till the lights go off and you are good to go. Something like this. Full left, full right. Do this a few times till the lights go off and you are set. Oh, it's gone. Haha, see that? That's about it. This is the method to code every E39, E46 and E53. If it's not working by rotating the steering wheel left and completely to the right and a few times, you have to use a scanner, sadly. And for that you have to go something like this to service mode, select chassis, ABS, adjustments of sensors, steering angle sensor, select that. I'm not going to repeat the process, but because in my case it was working, so select this one and just follow the steps on your scanner. It's going to send the position to the DSC and job done. That's about it. At the end it should look like this, no more errors. You can see in there the DSC module is selected, no more errors whatsoever, no lights on the dash. And sometimes when you go back, for example, see that the lights are on because you are on the module. You're working on this module. After you close everything, something like this, go back fully, close the program, unplug the connector. See that the lights are off because you are not connected anymore to the module, and that's why when you are working with the module the lights will be on, but after that should be off. You can check everything by starting the car. No lights, so job done. If you find this video useful, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.